Welcome back to H-Town Rush. Your time now 9:40. That picture there says it all. A live look over the Galleria. It is foggy, it is soggy, and later on, we're going to really need to pay attention, Kim.
Yes, we are. We have plenty of moisture, plenty of warmth, and when the cold front moves through, that's the recipe for some unsettled weather. So there is the potential for some strong storms, especially as we head into the overnight hours. But for the duration of the day, it's just going to be that type of rain that lingers. It pops up here and there. Some pockets will be a little bit heavier, so you definitely don't want to be caught outside without your rain boots, without your umbrella, because we can expect it to be a very moisture-rich weekend for us. This morning, we saw some stronger storms already bubbling up in our western counties, the effect of that warm front pushing through. Right now, we're seeing some spottier, lighter showers. We can expect that to continue through about the early afternoon. As we head into the later afternoon and especially into this evening, that's where we're going to see this low pressure area start to move to the northeast. Now, once we see that coupled with a cold front that's going to push through overnight, the warm air and the cold air, that's going to cause concern for some unsettled weather. And then we also factor in the upper level winds, which are pushing towards the east, and that could give us a potential for some rotation too. So we can't rule out the possibility for a couple of spin-ups, whether that's in the way of a water spout or maybe a small, very brief tornado. We have that potential there. A marginal risk for some severe weather that lasts through early tomorrow. The biggest threats going to be some stronger wind with a couple of these stronger cells that push through. We could see some localized heavier downpours causing some concern for some street flooding. And then, of course, a spin-up isn't out of the question. Current conditions, 62 degrees. We've got so much moisture in the air that we're seeing that mist. Even if we don't have the cells parked over us, we're definitely seeing a drizzle out there. 21 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday, the effect of that southerly wind. We'll continue to see that moisture really wrung out as that front pushes through. Visibility issues, we are seeing that in Tomball, in Hobby, and especially in the Houston metro area. Getting up into Conroe, visibility for you is just at about 3/4 of a mile and even less as you push a little bit further south. The timing of the front, 3:30, we're starting to see some showers bubbling up in Huntsville and in Conroe. As we head into the later evening hours, we'll see that push through the metro area. And then especially as we head in overnight, that's where those stronger storms look to really build in. That's 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see some pockets of heavier rain, some thunder showers from Livingston down to Sugar Land. That pushes through the metro area right around 5 o'clock in the morning and pushing offshore by about 9 or 10 after that. We can really expect the stronger weather to wrap up. Two models, the Rapid Precision model showing about 1 inch or less in rainfall for most spots, and then the American model, the GFS, Global Forecast System, showing between 1 to 2 inches. Still not out of the question to see some localized spots getting 3 inches if those strong storm cells hover there. Temperature wise, we're going to stay in the 70s today. Records are in the upper 70s. I don't think we're going to get quite that warm, but certainly a very warm weekend. 73 degrees for the noon hour tomorrow. About a slight chance, 50%, to still see a lingering shower. Otherwise, we're going to dry up for the afternoon. Stay dry for the start and middle of the work week with temperatures rebounding as we head into the end of the work week. Those rain chances coming back too.
It was strange waking up this morning, and it was so much warmer than when I went to bed last night.
So different. Isn't That's why you really gotta stay with us, and I'm serious.
Really gotta pay attention. Yeah. I know it's true, Kim.